Hey everybody, here we are beginning of June here in North Texas, and I'm just going to make a quick video because there's a big tomato that I want to pick, and I just thought I'd share it with you. Let me flip the camera around. Alright, so this guy is right down here and he's got two of them next to him. So I'm going to, it's a big tomato with a big stem there, so let me cut this without cutting the whole plant. Boom! Look at that, oh boy. Now normally he's a little dirty. Looks like he was resting in some dirt there. But these are black crims. That's big. Normally we don't get big tomatoes like that necessarily in North Texas because it's a little hot, and you know, a lot of times all those big beefsteak tomatoes up north grow really well. But sometimes I don't have the luck with the big tomatoes like this. But I'm beginning to. These have been doing well over the years. And I think it's because the soil's got a lot of amenities and nutrients. But anyways, that's going to make some nice caprese salad or something here today. I know it's a little green at the top, but it was in the ground, so I figured, well, I'll let it ripen an extra day on the counter. But we got tomatoes, and it's looking good. Talk to you soon.